Welcome, today I'm showing how to change icon shape into a Sony Xperia Pro I. First of all, open your Play Store and find X Icon Changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now click open. Then from the list choose your application, maybe YouTube will be nice. And now from the library choose your icon. Maybe from this library, for example this will be nice. So then in the top right corner we got OK button, press, wait a second for generating of new icon and click add automatically. Now we got success message, so go our home screen and here we got our new icon of YouTube. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.